from vendor to resource. This is what day 10 is about in our Advent calendar. So ask yourself this question. Who in your market introduces you as the go-to for fill in the blank? Could be a specific diagnosis like dementia or Parkinson's. Maybe it is a specific customer service thing that you do, like fractional care or a CHF protocol. Ask yourself who in your market introduces you as the go-to for dementia. If nobody says that about you, you're still a vendor. I know, I'm sorry. So today's action is pick one partner, one referral partner, and in one tiny way, be more useful this week and create mad value. So what would that look like? Maybe it's a 10-minute in-service or a toolkit for your service line. Perhaps it's a fast action follow-up on a discharged patient. And then tell them, we put this together because we keep seeing this problem with this type of patient. That's how you become a resource and get out of that vendor category. In our HCS 3 in 90 program, we bake these touches into the diagnosis-based calendar and outreach rhythm. If you want that system, well, let's book a call with Casey. Her link's below in the comments. If you want to warm up your team with ideas like this weekly, we also have Growth Lab that's built just for that. So let's do this together. I can't wait to hear about how your referral partners react when you go from vendor to resource. All right, next up, no salesperson objection. On day 11, we're going to reframe that identity. I can't wait to share with you more about that. See you tomorrow on the next video. And listen, if you're just jumping in now, make sure you go back and see day 1 through 10, because we love to share tactics and tools that are working in the field right now. So go ahead, it's okay, you'll catch up. Tomorrow when I see you, day 11, no salesperson objection. Click on the link below to book with Casey. We'll see you tomorrow. We're leading with heart and we're winning with strategy.